Mastering masculine pronouns. He, him, his. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another enlightening session of our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're zeroing in on a vital topic in English grammar: masculine pronouns. Specifically, we will be looking at he, him, and his. These pronouns play a key role in our everyday communication, so it's crucial we understand how to use them correctly. Let's start at the beginning. Pronouns are words we use in the English language to replace nouns. This helps to avoid repetitive and redundant language. For example, instead of saying, "John is here," "John has brought John's bag," we can use pronouns and say, "John is here. He has brought his bag." In this example, he and his are both masculine pronouns. But why are they called masculine? We'll explore that next. The term masculine in English grammar traditionally refers to words that denote a male being or object personified as male. Masculine pronouns in English are he, him, and his. He is a subject pronoun, used when the male person or animal is doing the action. For example, he is running. Him is an object pronoun, used when the action is being done to the male person or animal. For example, I gave the book to him. His is a possessive pronoun, showing that something belongs to the male person or animal. For example, this is his book. The best way to learn is through practice, so let's go through some exercises. We will use the masculine pronouns in different sentences. Subject pronoun, he eats an apple every day. Object pronoun, him, can you give him the message? Possessive pronoun, his favorite color is blue. Try forming your own sentences using these pronouns to get a better grasp of their usage. We hope this video shed some light on the use of masculine pronouns: he, him, and his. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these in your everyday language to truly master their use. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next video where we'll explore the world of feminine pronouns. Happy learning!